This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by eliminating the obvious interruptions. Check Rainbow 6 and tracker service status so you know whether the problem is local. Then update the tracker, game client, and platform to ensure compatibility. Outdated versions often break APIs. Once done, restart your device and clear the tracker cache to remove corrupted temp files. Doing these steps first saves time because many issues are resolved by syncing versions and resetting cache state, letting the tracker re-establish clean connections. Next, focus on credentials and network paths that let the tracker access your game data. You should re-login and reauthorize any linked platform accounts so tokens refresh. Expired tokens prevent data pulls. Then rule out network interference. Disable VPN or proxy temporarily and configure firewall or router exceptions for tracker endpoints, because blocked ports or strict NAT can stop real-time queries. Finally, inspect tracker settings for correct account linking and ensure local security software isn't. To finish, run the tracker and play a short match to confirm live updates. Watching a real change proves resolution. If problems persist, reinstall the tracker to reset configuration and test an alternate tracker to isolate the issue to your client versus the service. Make sure your system clock is accurate and enable verbose logs so you can capture errors. If nothing works, send those logs to support. One key tip: incorrect time sync often invalidates API tokens, so fix time first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.